I no longer trade EURUSD. But this decision is not based on a feeling or a random event. If we go back and review old breakouts, and even look at last week's trades again, we can notice something interesting. If I had focused only on GBPUSD, I would probably have had a better result and would currently be in profit. Of course, this doesn't mean GBPUSD is always better or that EURUSD is a bad market. The point is that every strategy does not perform the same way on every market. That's why this change requires some adjustments to my money management, because when the market changes, risk management needs to adapt as well. Tomorrow, I'll make a separate video where I'll explain these changes in detail. But for now, let's move on to the GBPUSD analysis. Alright, let's look at the supporting tools. The first tool is Fibonacci. I'm going to place the Fibonacci from this point. As you can see, the market struggled to reach the 61.8 level and then reversed. The other supporting tools don't have any significant use in this situation, so we won't use them. Now let's go through my breakout conditions. First, the breakout candle must be at least 1.5 times larger than the candles of the final leg of the move. Second, more than 50% of the breakout candle's body must break through the support and resistance zone. Third, it must break the wicks of previous swing points. Fourth, the breakout candle must close completely. And finally, Robert Miner's rules. Breaking the last trend line, exiting a candle range, having a strong support or resistance level. Now let's move on to the main analysis. Here, I could have taken a sell position, but why didn't I? There are a few reasons. First, I use Robert Miner's strategy for miner setups, and at this point, we didn't have the lower timeframe range breakout confirmation yet. So I was waiting for the range to break. But when the breakout happened, I wasn't there to take the sell entry. After that, I took a sell here with a $5 risk. However, this trade is no longer a miner setup, it's a breakout type trade. This was a range, and the entry was a little late, but it was still justifiable. The second reason for my sell entry was that, most of the time, not always, the market tends to fill this gap. So I entered a sell here. My stop loss was placed here, and my take profit was here. The risk on this trade was $5, and the risk to reward ratio was around 2. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll also leave the money management Excel file link in the comments.